December 23rd, 2025. We're at the old Fair Oaks Bridge on the American River. We're going to try and photograph or video a pair of nesting barn owls in a cliff across the river. It's about 200 yards away from me. Really hard to photograph because they're inside the cave where it's real dark, but we'll try. Zoom it up. Well, there's something. Give it a little brightness, maybe too much brightness. Hey, you should be able to see that. There is two of them in there, but it's hard to tell. They weren't so far back in that cave. Or if the sun was out, that'd probably help.